Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of fitness, bringing you the best tips and tricks to help you crush your goals. Today, we're talking about a hot topic, chest exercises. We'll explore the best and the worst chest exercises you should be aware of. So, if you want a well-defined chest that turns heads, stick around because this video is packed with essential info. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Let's jump right in! Alright, let's kick things off with the basics. The chest muscles, or pectorals, are crucial for upper body strength and aesthetics. A well-rounded chest workout can enhance your overall physique and boost your confidence. But not all chest exercises are created equal. Some can help you achieve incredible results, while others might be doing more harm than good. So let's break it down. First up, let's talk about the best chest exercises. These are the tried and true moves that fitness experts swear by. 1. Bench press. Our number one chest exercise is the classic bench press. This compound movement targets the pectorals, shoulders and triceps, making it a staple in any chest workout routine. Here's how to do it right. Lie flat on a bench with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower the barbell to your chest, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Press the barbell back up, fully extending your arms. Remember to keep your core engaged and avoid arching your back. The bench press builds both strength and muscle mass, giving your chest that impressive, sculpted look. 2. Push-ups. Next on the list is a bodyweight classic, push-ups. Push-ups are incredibly versatile and can be done anywhere, anytime. They target the chest, shoulders, triceps, and even engage your core. Here's how to perform the perfect push-up. Start in a plank position with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle and your body in a straight line. Push back up to the starting position. For an extra challenge, try variations like diamond push-ups or decline push-ups. Push-ups are excellent for building functional strength and endurance. 3. Dumbbell flies. Now let's talk about dumbbell flies. This exercise isolates the chest muscles and provides a deep stretch, enhancing muscle growth. To perform dumbbell flies, lie on a bench with a dumbbell in each hand. Extend your arms above your chest, palms facing each other. Slowly lower the dumbbells out to the sides, keeping a slight bend in your elbows. When you feel a deep stretch in your chest, bring the dumbbells back to the starting position. Dumbbell flies are fantastic for targeting the inner chest and creating that defined line down the middle. 4. Incline bench press. Don't forget about the incline bench press. This variation targets the upper chest, giving you a more balanced and aesthetic look. To perform the incline bench press, set the bench at a 30 to 45-degree angle. Grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower the barbell to your upper chest, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Press the barbell back up to the starting position. Incline bench press is crucial for developing the upper portion of your chest, adding fullness and symmetry. Now that we've covered the best exercises, it's time to talk about the worst. These are the exercises that might not be worth your time or could even put you at risk for injury. 1. Pec deck machine. First up, the pec deck machine. While it might look tempting, the PC deck can put unnecessary strain on your shoulder joints. The fixed path of motion doesn't allow for natural movement, increasing the risk of injury. Instead, opt for exercises like dumbbell flies or cable crossovers, which offer more range of motion and engage stabilizer muscles. 2. Chest press machine. Next, the chest press machine. While machines can be useful for beginners, the chest press machine often limits your range of motion and can lead to muscle imbalances. Free weights and bodyweight exercises are generally more effective for building strength and functional fitness. If you're looking for a machine alternative, try the Smith machine bench press, which allows for more natural movement. 3. Guillotine press. Another exercise to avoid is the guillotine press. This variation of the bench press involves lowering the barbell to your neck, which can be extremely dangerous. The risk of shoulder injury is high, and there are safer alternatives to target the upper chest. Stick with the incline bench press or dumbbell flies to achieve similar results without the risk. 4. Behind the neck press. Lastly, avoid the behind the neck press. This exercise puts excessive strain on your shoulder joints and can lead to serious injuries. Instead, focus on safer alternatives like the traditional bench press or overhead press, which are more effective and less risky. So, there you have it. The best and the worst chest exercises you should be aware of. Remember, The key to a successful chest workout is using proper form, choosing exercises that suit your fitness level, and avoiding movements that put you at risk for injury. Always listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Before we wrap up, let's recap the main points. The best chest exercises include the bench press, push-ups, dumbbell flies, and incline bench press. These exercises are effective, versatile, and help build a strong, sculpted chest. On the other hand, exercises like the pec deck machine, chest press machine, guillotine press, and behind the neck press are best avoided due to their potential risks and limited benefits. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with any questions or thoughts you have. We love hearing from you. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest fitness tips and workouts. Don't forget to also click the link in the description below for more help specific to the video topic. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep pushing towards your goals and stay fit. Remember, a strong chest isn't just about aesthetics. It's about building strength and confidence. Keep working hard, stay consistent, and you'll see amazing results. Take care, everyone, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more great fitness tips and routines. See you in the next one.